Hello?
Listen to me. I'm having a nice glass of lager. You gonna come get me?
What?
I'm having a nice glass of lager.
Who in the fuck is this?
You gonna come get me? I'm Mark.
Come get you. You're Mark.
What's up?
What's up?
What's up?
I don't know who the hell is this.
I can't really hear you because I'm like in a bunch of casino machines. You gonna come get me?
I don't know who the fuck you are. I ain't coming to get you.
Playing slot machine.
Hello?
I'm at the casino spending thousands of dollars and you're fucking sucking your mother's tit.
Oh, yeah?
God, I could play like this for a little while. I'm hanging out by the fire right now.
What's up?
Right now, I'm sitting out on my fire.
I don't know what the fuck you're talking about.
Why don't you come on up to fucking New York State?
New York? Did you say New York?
Are you from the state of Pennsylvania?
Bro, I don't know who this is, but you're calling somebody in Ohio, dude.
You gonna come get me?
What's up?
What's going on?
Jesus Christ. I don't know who this is, but you're fucking ate up, bro.
Can I have some money right now?
What?
Can I have some money right now?
Can you have some money? Sure, why not? Fuck it. Meet me up here this evening. I'll give you some money.
What are you, some kind of retard?
What are you, some kind of fucking bitch?
I can't really hear you because I'm like in a bunch of casino machines.
What's up?
Yes, hello. How you doing today?
What's up?
You feeling good? That's a good thing.
What the fuck is this? Some kind of radio shit or something?
What you up to?
Excuse me?
Hey, you know what? I got a question for you.
What's up?
When somebody smacks you in the back of the mouth or in the back of the head and knocks your teeth out of your mouth, does that make you back in business?
And your break what?
What? Your teeth pop out? You suck dick?
Nah, you suck dick. You put a cord behind your ear and your teeth comes back, bitch.
When you breathe, the reason you smelling dick is because your breath is going out.
Hey, man, you got a pretty good talent. You can talk with a dick in your mouth at the same time, ho.
You got jokes, do you?
You know I do.
Oh, ain't you got jokes? You ain't funny.
Hell yeah, and I got a big cock with you going your throat, bitch.
As funny as you may be, it's going to be funny walking up behind you and tapping you on the shoulder.
Oh, well, hey, you know where I'm at, apparently. Come on.
You can't even tell no jokes, so shut the fuck up.
Eat a dick, ho.
I got a question for you.
What's
when
up?
you walk, you got a little bit of swoosh to your walk?
Do what?
When you walk, you got a little bit of swoosh to your walk?
Man, I ain't got no twist in my walk.
Swoosh from one side to the other?
Hey, check us out. Calm down, because you're starting through my speakers. I can't hear you.
You swoosh when you walk too, don't you?
I don't know what you're saying, but,
Where you from, man? What state?
what's up? Ohio.
What state you guys in?
Ohio.
What part of the woods do you live in?
Adams County, that's where all the woods are.
When did you come up out of the woods, you retard fuck?
Yesterday.
I'm probably smarter than half the people in your... Nah, probably more than 3/4 of the people in your town you live in.
Hey, check this out. I'm chilling at your mom's house right now. She said tell you what's up.
What?
You heard me, bitch.
What?
Yeah, keep waiting, because you can't think of nothing to say,
I
ho.
don't figure that much. You fucking retard.
Jesus Christ.
Somebody's gonna kick your ass, are they?
You're a lame-ass motherfucker, for real. You sound like a fucking retard choking on a goddamn hot dog. Calm down. What's up?
You feeling good? That's a good thing.
What's up?
What's happening, man?
You, sometimes me.
What's up, scumbag?
What's up, ho?
Go ahead and admit it, you fucking coward-ass punk.
Nah, lame.